welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amber. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Ladies, tonight we're going to be making a drink called the bubblegum cocktail. Yes, this drink tastes exactly like bubblegum. I had to do it for y'all. So before we get into that, ladies, I want us to do a better job as lifting one another up, fixing each other's crowns, instead of like going around telling everybody that her crown is crooked or, you know, this and that about her. Be the one to help her fix it. Be the one to help her succeed. We need to do better at that, ladies. So with that being said, I want you to relax, unwind, and join me for this drink tonight. I want you to put on an outfit that makes you feel super confident and sexy and glamorous. Yes. And meet me right back here in this kitchen. But before you go, there's gonna be a few items you'll need for tonight's drink. You're gonna need infused bubblegum vodka, lemon lime soda, and bubblegum for garnish. And if you wanna coat the rim, you're gonna need pink and white sugar for the rim. I'll be waiting. Great, you're back and looking as fabulous as ever. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and light my candles, set the mood. Now let's go ahead and get to this drink. So I'm gonna take my glass and I'm gonna coat the rim with pink and white sugar. Next, I'm gonna take 2 ounces of the infused bubblegum vodka. Then I'm gonna take 4 ounces of the lemon lime soda. Pretty. Then I'm gonna take the bubblegum for garnish. And there you have it, the bubblegum cocktail. Cheers. Banging. Yes. Well, ladies, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.